Hi, I'm Christy Biebrick, talking to you about how to organize your clothes on shelves. I really prefer shelves as opposed to drawers for most of my clothing, jeans, sweaters, t-shirts, because everything can be laid out nice and neatly where I can see it, I can grab what I need every day, and it makes getting ready a lot faster. I'm here at Closet Factory today to show you some tips and tricks that I like to use to keep my clothes organized. I really like to use a folding board when folding my sweaters and t-shirts. This ensures that they are all exactly the same size, and when I go to store them on the shelf, they fit neatly and evenly. I also make sure to keep like items with like items. You might even want to add a label to your shelves to make sure that you stick with your newly organized system.